Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add follow button on Facebook. So guys, at first go to your Facebook. Now tap on the three dot line, swipe down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now tap on privacy checkup. Now tap on how people can find you on Facebook. Tap on continue. Now you can see there is an option who can send you friend request. Now tap on the arrow beside this and tap on friends of friends. Now go back. Now tap on who can see what you share. Tap on continue. Tap on next. And then you can see there is an option future post. So tap on the arrow beside this post and select public. Now go back. So guys, that's it, and this is the method, and then your Facebook will be added follow button. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.